Imagine going back in time to witness the birth of a digital revolution. Today, we're doing just that, reliving the Ethereum ICO of 2014. Back in July 2014, Ethereum, the brainchild of Vitalik Buterin, launched its initial coin offering, offering early adopters a chance to get in on the ground floor. To participate, you needed Bitcoin, the then king of crypto. The process was straightforward. Prospective investors would send Bitcoin to a designated Ethereum address. In return, they would receive Ether, or ETH, the native token of the Ethereum network. The price, roughly 2,000 ETH per Bitcoin. A steal compared to today's prices. Early contributors included crypto enthusiasts, developers, and visionaries who saw the potential of a decentralized world computer. This ICO wasn't just about raising funds. It was about building a community, and that community went on to build decentralized applications that are revolutionizing the world. The Ethereum ICO of 2014 laid the foundation for the entire DeFi and Web3 movement we see today. It funded the development of an entirely new ecosystem, and forever changed the world of blockchain technology. It truly was a revolutionary moment.